So the wife's going to do a quick mod to the beast. This one's going to give us 5 extra horsepower.
I thought it was 6.
All right, 6. Oh, by the way, welcome to the channel. I'm Steve.
I'm Heather.
And you're watching Ram Beast Projects.
Step 1, open the diesel tank. Step 2, remove stupid plastic flimsy orange thing. Step 3, break out your new, like, this is pretty diesel, no pun intended. Bam.
That's pretty nice.
That is nice.
I was gonna get green, but
no,
black
like
goes
black.
with the truck.
Made in USA. VMS Racing. Step whatever we're on. Shut diesel door. Keep or throw away.
Toss that.
Toss that.
All right, guys, we are gonna go ride bikes, as you can see. And then, hey, this should be interesting. We haven't done that in a long time. We're gonna do some things to the wife's 4Runner that everyone needs to do when they purchase a new car. Well, at least what we do every time we purchase a new car. Wish us luck. Hopefully Heddy doesn't break a bone and fall off her bike.
For real though.
Well, that wasn't too bad for the first time in what, a year or two?
I mean, if not more, right?
We did an 8-mile trek.
Like a legit ride bike, not just like D around in the neighborhood.
Yeah, it was fun.
I liked it. We did 44 minutes and 28 seconds and went 8.04 miles.
And our quads are burning.
Yeah.
That's what it's about.
All right, guys, so right after you get a brand new car, there's something very important that you must do first. And I've gone a week without this, and I can tell that I didn't have it and I need it. And that is window tint. Not only for the side windows, but especially for the brow at the top of the windshield. Now, when Steve first did it for his truck, I thought he was stupid. I thought that it was a waste of money. I thought it was a waste of time, and I thought it was just stupid. And then he did it for me on my last car, and now that I don't have it, I missed it all week.
Yep, she missed it. And we're not going to get too crazy. We're going to go with 20% on the side windows, nothing on the back, and probably 5% across the brow of the windshield.
Is that what I had last time?
I believe so.
Okay.
I believe, yeah, it's darker on the windshield, but we don't get too crazy with it. Just enough to, you know, have some sanity, because I went blind today. She went into Kohl's to get a new belt, and she bought me these Docker sunglasses because I don't have I don't have a set for her car. And the struggle was real. I had a freaking headache from squinting. I have blue eyes. I have very sensitive eyes. So we're at our favorite shop to get this tint done, Colberts in Thorndale, Pennsylvania. Glenn, the owner, he's been tinting my cars, my Mustangs, since high school. And no, I don't own Mustangs anymore, but he's been tinting my vehicles since high school. And he still tints my vehicles to this day. Him and Randy. So we're gonna go tint the wife's 4Runner up and get her done.
Yes.
And I got your tag off.
Oh, thank you so much.
It only took like an hour to get that off.
So then I won't have to double up like this. In case you've been watching us from the beginning, remember one of the stipulations for Steve to get the diesel truck was I was supposed to get LASIK. And
no, instead you got a brand new limited 4Runner with tinted windows.
This is a couple of years ago, and I'm still rocking the doubles. Like, only the coolest of cool do it.
Can't hit Jasper.
No. Can't stop, won't stop. Good job, Bay. You got it.
Yeah. Hey, I think we're gonna do 20 and 20 on the brow. Oh, I think Jasper likes the camera. Hi, Jasper.
Brooke is definitely pretty good, but Jasper is.
Yeah?
I mean, amazing.
Yes, buddy.
How do you do, Jasper? She's chill.
Yeah.
Alright, Randy's getting to business.
Yes.
It's time for the cinematic footage.
It's the minor adjustments that you don't see that make a huge difference. I don't know where the key is, but it's close enough that it'll turn on.
Yeah, we appreciate all the local support. It's weird, most of my following's in like Texas.
Really? Really? Do you know anyone from Texas?
Nope.
Or was it just like
I
random
guess,
one guy liked it and it spread like wildfire?
Yeah, like, I guess there's a lot of Ram trucks in Texas. Yeah. I don't know. A lot of lifted trucks. Yeah. Seeing myself in the reflection.
Yeah, once the tint goes on.
Yeah, you're in her way.
I'm sorry.
Oh, she will pull you over, dude. Have you noticed, Steve, how they're starting to do the dot matrix patterns now?
Yeah.
They're in the glass.
Oh, no kidding. That's good.
So it doesn't leave that white, it's not raised off. It's totally smooth.
Well, that's awesome.
So it doesn't leave that raised white look to them.
It's good for tinting.
Yeah. It's good for everyone.
I love it. I'm very much excited to have the tint back. Like I was saying earlier, I didn't think that it was needed. I thought it was a waste of time you doing it, but now I know that it's a necessity.
Yeah, it's like the first thing she said when we traded her car in. My tint! My tint! Randy hooked us up.
Absolutely.
You guys gotta check out Colberts Auto Care, Thorndale, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. Let them know that Ramby's Project sent you. Steve and Heddy. Thanks, brother.
Thank you,
Sam.
It's awesome.
Enjoy.
20% on the side window, 20% on the brow. Looks awesome.
So somebody went to go and ship out some Ram Beast merch for us, and they checked the P.O. box. And we just got a letter. We just got a letter. Or it might not be a letter. Steve, greetings from the land of Oz. I'm a fan of your channel and your hard work. I'm a sergeant in the county jail here in Kansas, and this is his 19th year of service. His wife is a first grade teacher. They're like us. And she will be going on her 13th year. They have an ornery 3-year-old boy. Steve's so jealous because you have a boy. And he loves trucks just as much as his daddy does. He'll be getting his first diesel in about a year.
Yeah, buddy.
And his search on YouTube is what led him to Ramby's projects.
Awesome.
Good luck on your future endeavors. Keep up the hard work, and he looks forward to more content. Mitch. You got a patch.
Awesome. Cool.
And you collect these.
I do. Thanks, Mitch. Greatly appreciate your support. I do collect patches, and if you probably saw that, if you've been following me for a while, I think I know who this is. I do know who this is.
You sent him stuff, correct?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, he purchased
some
some Ramby's merch, and so he knows that I do collect police patches. I got them all over the back wall.
Oh my gosh, I get it now.
What?
Kansas. Takes me a while, but it comes. I love it. That's funny.
If you guys ever want to send us anything, our P.O. box is right here, and it'll be in the description below. As always important stuff in the description below. I know I say that every video and probably say it multiple times in a video, but there's always important stuff. Discount codes and all that. Always important stuff. Thank you so much, Mitch. We greatly appreciate that's going on the wall in the office. Thank you.
That's really cool.
That is really cool.
I like that.
This video was going to be longer, but I got some very unfortunate news. A close friend from a neighboring police department, literally the police department next to mine, had passed away at age 42. He has 4 kids. Outstanding guy, personal friend of mine. Into the truck scene. Matter of fact, he literally just about 2 weeks ago, he hit me up. He was going to have the Jeep shop. The Jeep shop was putting a quote together for him to lift his Chevy Tahoe. So I just really wasn't feeling the edit on the video. I just really wasn't myself. Still not really myself right now. When you're watching this video, because it's going to go live tomorrow, his funeral is actually tomorrow. I'll have a link below. It's a GoFundMe site for his family, and I don't know. I'm just sort of at a loss for words right now. I just don't really know what else to say.
Just make sure that you live each day to its fullest. You know, you're not guaranteed your next breath, and don't take anything for granted. I think we a lot of times just go through with emotions, and I mean, it happens. It's life. We got it. But at the same time, when something like this happens, it makes you stop and reanalyze what you're doing, what's important, and make sure that you're spending time with your family and doing things, and always saying I love you, and always making sure that you know, people know that you care about them, because you never know.
Yeah, every day is precious. Every day is precious, and make sure you hug your loved ones today, and live life to the fullest. You know, live life to the fullest. If anything I've learned this week is that's what's important: family and living your life. And my thoughts are with the Scamuffa family, and it's gonna be a rough day tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, Friday, or whatever day. It's gonna be a rough day. It's gonna be a rough day. Sorry to end this video on a you know, sort of a, you know,
somber note.
Somber note. There's a second part to this video. If you guys are interested in ceramic coating, we actually get that done on the wife's car. So the tint job came out awesome, and we got a ceramic coated. I don't know if I'm going to get that video done this weekend or if that's going to be put out next Friday. I'm going to do my best to get it done over the weekend, but I'm actually picking up a shift to help cover the township, because all the employees from the neighboring department, they're all off, even the township administration. So we're actually, my department and the other neighboring department, we're taking over and covering for them while they're grieving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, please smash that subscribe button. And we love you guys. We love you.